Are you tired of guessing trades and losing money in binary trading? What if I told you there's a way to predict price movements with high accuracy? Technical indicators hold the key, but here's the problem: most traders use them the wrong way and end up losing. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the right way to use indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands to make smarter, more profitable trades. Stay with me. This could change your trading journey forever. Before we dive into specific indicators, let's understand what technical indicators are. Simply put, they are mathematical calculations applied to price data, such as candlesticks, volume, and volatility, to help traders predict future movements. Indicators help you identify trends, uptrend, downtrend, or sideways markets, spot entry and exit points, measure market momentum, avoid false signals. However, remember, indicators don't predict the future. They only help you analyze past and current price data to make better decisions. Trading with moving average. One of the most widely used indicators in trading is the moving average. It helps smooth out price data over a set period, revealing the overall trend. There are two main types. Simple moving average, SMA, calculates the average price over a fixed period. Exponential moving average, EMA, gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to price changes. How to use moving averages in binary trading. 1. Trend identification. If the price is above the moving average uptrend, call trade. If the price is below the moving average downtrend, put trade. 2. Crossover strategy. When a short-term moving average, 10 EMA, crosses above a long-term moving average, 50 EMA, buy signal. When a short-term moving average crosses below a long-term moving average, sell signal. 3. Support and resistance. Moving averages can act as dynamic support and resistance levels. In an uptrend, price often bounces off an upward moving average before continuing higher. In a downtrend, price may test the moving average as resistance before dropping further. Moving average trading signals. Entry signal. In an uptrend, enter a trade when the price pulls back and bounces off an upward trending moving average. In a downtrend, enter a trade when the price pulls back and rejects a downward moving average. Exit signal. In an uptrend, place a stop loss below the moving average and adjust it upward as the price moves in your favor. In a downtrend, place a stop loss above the moving average and move it downward as the trend continues. Why use moving averages? They identify simple trends in the market. They work effectively across both short-term and long-term timeframes. They provide clear entry and exit signals, improving trade accuracy. Moving averages are a fundamental tool in binary trading. Whether using them for trend confirmation, crossovers, or support resistance, they can help traders make informed decisions. Next, we have the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which measures the speed and strength of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, helping traders identify when an asset is overbought or oversold. Overbought, 70. Price may drop soon, good for put trades. Oversold, 30. Price may rise soon, good for call trades. How to use RSI in binary trading. Look for RSI above 70 to prepare for a put trade. Look for RSI below 30 to prepare for a call trade. Confirm signals with candlestick patterns before entering a trade. What are Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Bands, created by John Bollinger, are a technical indicator used to measure market volatility and identify potential trade opportunities. This indicator consists of a middle moving average line, typically a 20-period moving average, an upper band, piles 2 standard deviations, a lower band, 2 standard deviations. The bands expand during high volatility and contract during low volatility. How to use Bollinger Bands in binary trading. Overbought and oversold conditions. Upper band touch. The asset is overbought, potential put trade. Lower band touch, the asset is oversold, potential call trade. Bollinger Band squeeze. When the bands contract, it indicates low volatility. A breakout is likely, signaling a strong price movement soon. Breakout strategy. Entry signal. When the bands widen after a consolidation phase, enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. Exit signal. If price starts reversing towards the middle band, use a trailing stop to secure profits. Strengths of Bollinger Bands. Helps identify trends, measures market volatility, provides breakout signals. MACD indicator for binary trading. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) is a powerful momentum indicator that helps traders spot trend changes and make informed decisions. MACD components: MACD line, the fast-moving average, 12-period EMA minus 26-period EMA. Signal line, the slow-moving average, 9-period EMA of the MACD line. Histogram shows the difference between the MACD and signal line, indicating momentum strength. How to use a MACD in binary trading. 1. Call signal, buy trade. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests bullish momentum. 2. Put signal, sell trade. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it indicates bearish momentum. 3. Momentum confirmation. A strong histogram suggests increasing momentum, strengthening the trade signal. Why use MACD? Identifies trend reversals from bullish to bearish and vice versa. Confirms the strength of ongoing trends. Helps in spotting overextended price movements that may lead to reversals. The MACD is a valuable indicator in binary trading when used alongside other indicators and market analysis. Always practice proper risk management and confirm signals before entering trades. Indicators are powerful tools, but they are not perfect. Follow these risk management tips to trade safely. Don't rely on a single indicator. Always combine 2 or more for confirmation. Use a demo account first. Test indicators before using real money. Set a fixed investment per trade. Never risk more than 2 to 5% of your balance per trade. If you use indicators correctly and with discipline, they can significantly improve your trading success. I placed a trade using MACD, moving average and candlestick patterns to show you that how it works. Now you know how to use 4 powerful indicators in binary trading. Moving averages identify trends. RSI find overbought and oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands measure volatility. MACD spot momentum changes. In the next video, we'll go deeper and learn basic binary trading strategies that you can apply using these indicators. I'll show you step-by-step strategies like trend following strategy, support and resistance strategy, RSI reversal strategy. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.